Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update Windows on HP Victus 16. In order to update the Windows, go to Settings, then go to Windows Update. Now, you can just go to Check for updates. It'll start checking for available updates, and if there are any, you can click on Download and Install All. And as you can see, updates are currently downloading. There is several positions, so each of them is gonna get downloaded, and some of them may later on require me to do a restart, and what I recommend doing is waiting until all of the positions get downloaded and installed, and only then restart the laptop, because sometimes it's that it prompts you to do a restart after only one update downloads and installs. The other ones are still in the process, but you click on restart, then it asks you to restart again and again and again. It's just better to wait until everything is downloaded and installed, and of course you can continue using your laptop until everything gets installed and then just restart it. The restart process may take a bit longer than usual because it has to apply the update in the process, but then you'll just be able to continue using your system after the restart. So now I'm gonna wait until all of the updates get downloaded and installed, maybe besides the second one, because it takes really long, but I would still recommend waiting even for that long update to install. So I'm gonna restart it now, but of course I recommend to wait even until the last update gets downloaded and installed, so you just don't have to do it twice. And now the update is done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.